What is an embedding? How AI turns meaning into math. An embedding is a list of numbers, a vector, that captures the meaning of text, an image, or any input. The closer two vectors are, the more similar their meanings. Why do we need embeddings? 3 reasons. Computers do not understand words. To them, text is just symbols. Synonyms like cat and feline share no letters but mean the same thing. And we want to search by meaning, not by exact keywords. Here is how an embedding is born. You give a word, say cat, to an embedder, a neural network. It outputs a vector, a list of hundreds of numbers. That vector lives in a high-dimensional space alongside every other word. The nearest neighbor to cat is something like feline, because their meanings are close. What can you do with embeddings? 3 superpowers. You can cluster similar items by meaning automatically. You can do math on concepts. The famous example, king minus man plus woman equals queen, and you can bridge formats. Text and images can live in the same space. What changes? Old keyword search needs an exact match. Mrs. Synonyms is stuck in one language and breaks on paraphrasing. Semantic search with embeddings matches by meaning synonyms work, cross-language works, and any phrasing of the same idea returns the same results. Where do embeddings show up in real AI? Semantic search. Finding documents by what they mean. The first step of every RAG system, turning your question into a vector, and recommendations, suggesting products, songs, or articles that are close to what you already like. That is an embedding, meaning captured as math. Next episode. Where do all these vectors live? What is a vector database?